Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious vanilla pudding from scratch. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You will also need a medium saucepan, a whisk, and accurate measuring tools. Using whole milk truly enhances the pudding's creamy texture and rich flavor, making it a delightful treat for any occasion. Now, let's start cooking. In your saucepan, whisk together the sugar and cornstarch until there are no lumps. This step is crucial for a smooth pudding. Gradually add the 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to ensure everything is well combined. Place the saucepan over medium heat and continue to stir constantly. This prevents sticking and ensures even cooking, leading to a perfectly smooth base. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens and comes to a gentle boil. Let it boil for about 1 minute, continuing to whisk. This ensures the cornstarch fully activates, giving your pudding that perfect consistency. Remove the saucepan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour the warm pudding into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Chill for at least 2 hours to set completely. Your homemade vanilla pudding is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream or some fresh berries for an extra touch. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, maintaining its delicious freshness. For easy meal prep and storage, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delightful, creamy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.